Hey, welcome to the 10K Car Rental Accelerator. I'm Jayden, and I was exactly where you are just 7 months ago. Maybe you have a side hustle, maybe you tried renting cars before, or maybe you're just starting and don't know where to begin. It's frustrating when you don't have guidance and opportunities seem out of reach. This is where the community comes in. Here, you'll learn the strategies, mindset shifts, step-by-step systems to go from zero to your first 10K a month legally renting cars. You get support from me and from others who are on the same journey. I know it works because I did it myself. I'm down to earth, I'm honest, and I actually want you to succeed. Because when you succeed, we all win. Anytime you succeed, I succeed. Now, jump in, introduce yourself, ask questions, and start taking action today. Let's hit that 10K together. Remember, success loves speed.
Shout out to Jayden and thank you. So far, I have acquired 4 vehicles in my fleet, and he continues to motivate us, support us, and any questions, he's always there. And he's very knowledgeable in the rental car business. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and share my experience being mentored by Jayden. So when I first met him, I wasn't starting from zero. I already knew I wanted to get into the car rental business. I had my LLC set up, but that was it. And honestly, I had no idea what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to do it. So Jayden and I had a conversation. He told me about his journey and was willing to walk me through it. He truly walked me through the entire process, step by step. There were so many moments where I could have made the wrong move. One of the biggest things that sets this apart is the weekly Zoom calls. Every week we get on, we talk about what happened, what challenges come up, how we handled them. Jayden gives his insight, but it's not just him. The group shares too, and that's huge because you're not just learning from one person, you're learning from real people actively building their businesses at the same time as you. You hear what to watch out for, what works, what doesn't, and it helps you avoid mistakes before you even make them. There's accountability. We set weekly goals and you know you're coming back to report on them. And I'll be honest, that pushes you. And the support doesn't stop on the calls. There were multiple times during the week where I reached out to Jayden directly because I needed guidance in the moment. And he was there every time. Fast forward to now. I currently have cars I rarely get to see because I found long-term monthly renters, and one is a rent-to-own program. I can't get cars fast enough. Now I'm stepping into joint ventures and focusing on scaling. This can be a scary space to step into. There's risk, there's uncertainty, but having people around you who are there to lift you up, guide you, and walk with you, that makes all the difference. So Jayden, thank you. And to everyone in the group, thank you. If you're on the fence about getting started, it's absolutely worth it.
Hey you guys, so I joined Jayden's mentorship a month ago, and it has been great. He's been very transparent. He communicates. We have tough decisions, and it has been a great mentorship that I've joined. He prepared a funnel for me. His VAs worked with me as well. And I would definitely recommend anybody else who is considering Jayden's mentorship. So yeah, shout out to you, Jayden, and keep up the good work.